Improper fractions into mixed numbers. Earlier we discussed about how you can convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Now the other side we are going to discuss converting improper fractions into mixed numbers. Right. Let's go to discuss few examples. Look at the first example. 13/5, right? 13/5 mean which type of fractions? Improper fraction, right? Now we have to convert into mixed number, right? Now look at how you can convert these improper fractions into mixed number. What is the numerator? Numerator is 30. What is the denominator? Denominator is 5. So first you have to divide numerator by its denominator. That means 13 you have to divide by 5. Using the long division method, you can divide it, right? 13 divide 5. Right. How many 5s for 13? 2. 2 times 5, 10. What is the remaining value? 3. Right. Can you tell me when you write a mixed number, how many numbers you have to use? There are 3 numbers, no? What are the 3 numbers? Whole number, denominator and numerator. I received 3 numbers here. 5, 3, 2. Where we have to write these 3 correctly? You have to remember it. This answer you have to write as the whole number, right? It is the whole number. This remainder value you have to write as the numerator. Correctly you remember the positions, right, where we have to write these numbers. Then this divided value you have to write as the denominator. So how you can write this one as the mixed number? Whole number is 2, numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. So what is the mixed number? 2, 3/5. Is it correct? You can check it reverse. You know how you can convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Denominator is 5. It is okay. Numerator 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Correct. Right? Are you clear? How you can convert improper fractions into mixed numbers. Right. Let's go to discuss another example. After that, you can note down. Look at the second example. 27/4. Right? 27/4. It is an improper fraction. We want to convert into mixed number. So what you have to do? 27 you have to divide by 4 using the long division method, right? 27 divide 4. How many 4s for 27? 6. 6 times 4, 24. Remaining value, what is the remaining value? 3. Now correctly you have to write the positions of these values. Denominator, numerator, whole number, right? Answer you have to write where? Whole number, right? So whole number is 6. This remainder value is 3. Numerator. 3 is the numerator. This divided value is 4. 4 is the denominator. Right. Now you check it. Correct or incorrect? 4, 4. Denominator is okay. 4 times 6, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. Correct. Correct. Right. Are you clear? Can you understand? Yes.